In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs yell, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This is going to be our gateway to access the online tools needed for this process. Make sure your internet connection is stable so we can move through the steps smoothly without any hiccups. Next, head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you already have an account, you'll need to sign in using your email and password. For those of you who prefer a quicker sign-in process, you can use Single Sign-On, or SSO. This step ensures that you can access all the features needed to create the perfect audio file. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the website. This is where the magic happens. The text-to-speech function is a crucial tool that will allow us to transform written input into audio output. By doing this, we can effectively make the ElevenLabs system generate the desired yelling sound. In the text-to-speech section, it's important to select the 11v3 model. This specific model will provide us with the best quality and range for our audio. It also supports the necessary features that allow for the dynamic expression of text, including raising the intensity to a yell. Once you have the right model selected, glance over at the right sidebar of the interface. You'll see a section titled Voice. Click on the name displayed right below it. This will open up a new menu where you can select from a variety of voice options. Take a moment to search for the voice you prefer. Having the right voice is crucial, as it can affect how the yell sounds in the final product. Experiment and listen to a few samples to find one that meets your needs. When you've found your ideal voice, it's time to input the text you want to convert into speech. To make your delivery come off as a yell, you'll need to incorporate the word angry or yell in square brackets within the text. Alternatively, you can type your entire message in all caps. This indicates the emotion or volume you want the text-to-speech software to convey. After setting up your text, hit the Generate Speech button. Listen closely to the audio files that are created. This step is a great opportunity to make adjustments and ensure the audio is exactly how you want it. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results, you can either download the file to your device or share it directly from the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully used ElevenLabs to create an audio clip with a yell. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials.